How to fix Infinix Hot 10s Wi-Fi, connected but no internet. First, go to Settings and click Wi-Fi. As you can see, I'm connected to Wi-Fi but no internet. Try to forget the network, then connect again using password. Still no internet. The phone is having a problem on the IP address and gateway. To fix this, go to your modem and find the IP address of it. It's usually found in the bottom or side of your modem. The IP address of the modem is the gateway of your phone, which you must have to connect in order to access the internet. If you already know the gateway or IP address of your modem, forget again to the Wi-Fi. Go to Advanced option and find DHCP. Change the DHCP to static. Put the IP address in the gateway manually. The first three group of numbers of your IP address and gateway, or the IP address of your modem, must be the same, only the last group of numbers are different. I put 20 on the last group of numbers in the IP address, but you can choose between 2 to 254 in most cases. Put the password and then connect. It's already connected to internet. Let's try it on YouTube. It's already working. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you still having a problem, feel free to comment below. I will answer that as long as I can. Thank you.